We're back! Coming at you from my office here at JcrOffroad and Victory 4x4 as opposed to my office at home, which is absolutely fantastic. As of today, March, April, May 11th, our governor has allowed manufacturing to resume in Michigan. So that allowed word is interesting. I don't want to get into a big rant about that, but that just means our manufacturing today is up 100%. And it is a madhouse. We want to thank everyone so much for all of the orders while we were closed. Thank you so much. That just means that our backlog right now is huge. And I don't want to complain at all. We don't want to complain at all. We're so grateful. But fabrication is crazy right now. Brian is back there welding. Kevin is shipping. All hands on deck just to get your orders out to you. So if there's any chance you could give us just a little extra consideration on our lead times right now, we're typically right around 10 to 15 business days. It could be a week or two beyond that, mostly for bumpers and sliders. We're trying to push racks through, bed racks, roof racks, accessory panels through as fast as possible. But it's a strange time. So if you could give us any extra consideration on those lead times, we would really appreciate it. Customer service, sales, and tech support are still working from home. So if you could give them extra consideration also, they're kind of managing what it's like to deal with their jobs from home. So it takes a little extra time for them to figure out where a product is, all of that stuff in the process. So the best way to get a hold of them is email, info@jcroffroad.com or info@victory4x4.com. You can call, you can leave a voicemail, but I'll just say it's a lot easier for them to manage emails than it is for them to manage voicemails and calls and all that. So email is the best way right now. Sorry. Engineering has worked from home for the past 6 weeks or so. So we have a ton of new product coming out. I'm so excited about this new product. On the JCR side, give you a little preview. We have a dual tire swing coming for the Gladiator. Two swings. You can put a tire on one side. You can put gas cans on the other. You can put gas cans on all the sides. You can put whatever you want on it. You can take them off. You can do. It's awesome. Really cool. And a little secret, that's actually powder coated already. So maybe I'll put a little photo of that right here. Victory 4x4. We have a Land Cruiser 100 Series front bumper coming out with and without a full face mask. Land Cruiser dual swing tire carrier, 410 4 and a ladder. We've got a bunch of stuff, just a bunch of stuff across the board happening. We're going to release that stuff on a schedule just because we still have to get studio photos and installation videos and engineer the bolt packs and do all that stuff that goes with product releases, and we're just not ready. And also with the backlog that we have, it'd be kind of dishonest for us to release a product when we have a lot of other products to already make. So please be patient with us. Look for more videos and photos on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, blah of that new product. Super excited about it. If you have questions about those products or questions about anything, you know where to put them. We'll respond to them as fast as we can. Once again, thank you so much. Thank you from all of us for all of the orders, all the support during this crazy time. I hope you and your family and your friends are well, are staying safe. I hope everything is good with you. I don't want to get on a rant, but I'd like to tell you, you're watching this video, so obviously you're supporting American manufacturing. Please continue to do that. Tell your friends to do that. If you have a question about any product, competitor's product, we don't care. If you're wondering where it's made or where to buy a United States made product of any kind, lights, bumpers, we don't care. We'll tell you where to go. I promise you. Or someone in the comments will tell you where to go. Even if it's a competitor's bumper. Trust us. So support American manufacturing. It's important to us to keep that money here, to keep that engineering here, just to keep a manufacturing going here. You could see how important that was in the past couple months that we can produce goods here. So that's the end of my rant with American manufacturing. You're already watching this, so I think you get it. So once again, we all want to thank you so much for a little extra consideration in this time. Thank you so much for the orders. The sale ended last night, Sunday night, so that's over. We can't keep pushing sale product when we have other people's product to make and we have a backlog. So thank you if you got in on that. That's it. Thank you. More videos to come. We'll talk to you soon.